Another day, another story. Make online courses and workshops. There's a reason why online classes are so popular. With the exception of infrastructure, once a course is developed, it gains all of the benefits of any digital product. The cost to offer the product to more customers are basically negligible. When you compare that to the need for all physical product firms to manage inventory, you'll find yourself dealing with less product-related difficulties as you scale. There is also a desire for digital courses and continuous education. That is why platforms like Udemy and Skillshare thrive. Your largest obstacle is the internet itself, which has dozens of wonderful things available for free. And the content on every topic is improving by the day. But keep in mind that, while there are countless themes on which to develop content, there are considerably fewer ones on which people are prepared to pay. Typically, the best-selling courses teach students an important skill that will help them advance in their careers or get more enjoyment out of a favorite hobby. Startup time varies based on the course, but can range from 25 to 100 hours. Starting effort, extremely high. Time to first payment varies based on the payment plan of your course. What you should know: feedback is your best friend. After you've sold your first round of courses, don't be hesitant to change and improve them in response to consumer feedback. Live components, such as a live Q&A or a live webinar, will increase the value of your course and set it apart. Creating an online course requires a significant amount of time and effort, but once completed, it will provide you with a stream of passive income. For recorded lectures, you'll need a mechanism to capture audio and video and edit pieces together. 13. Create a YouTube channel. Have you ever considered becoming a YouTube celebrity? Micro-celebrities like Ryan Kaji, 10, make more than $29 million every year selling toys on YouTube. David Dobrik is another top YouTube earner, earning over $15.5 million by engaging his audience with amusing videos. Create a YouTube channel focused on a specific topic. This can help you establish a devoted following that returns to your channel on a regular basis, offering you more opportunity to make money online. You may provide instructional, product reviews, and celebrity news, whatever you believe will keep your audience interested. The secret to a successful YouTube channel is to use your video to entertain or educate your audience. Once you have 1,000 subscribers, you may start making money by displaying YouTube advertising on your channel. To make money on YouTube, in addition to advertising revenue, you can offer paid product placement to major brands, sell products, or become an affiliate. Startup time, a few hours. Starting effort, high. When you get 1,000 subscribers, you will be eligible for your first payout. What you should know: with the correct niche, you can start a high-paying YouTube channel. The secret to a successful YouTube channel is to entertain or educate your audience with your content. You can use your channel to become an affiliate. To start earning money, you must have at least 1,000 subscribers. Requirements: a way to record video and audio, as well as a way to clip your video together. Creators between the ages of 13 and 17 require parental authorization to launch a YouTube channel.